Avinash Singh, sir, my plan is to prepare for data structures and algorithm for product-based companies. From most, I get advice to prepare in C++, but it is not useful in my company. I used Python, Bash, and Node JavaScript. How should I prepare? You can prepare data structures and algorithm in Python. Okay, you prepare for, because data structures and algorithm is not about a specific programming language. Data structures and algorithm is a way of building good software programs. Okay, data structure is thinking about how to relate data. For example, if you're building a map application, a Google Maps application, you have so many different data points. You have a car which is moving, which is one data point, correct? You have all these, you have the road, the route on which you are traveling. Okay, you have all these different location. There is one restaurant on the way, there is a petrol pump, there is a toll which is coming on the way. There are all these different things, correct? So data structures help you to organize this data in the right way so that you can build really robust application. So data structure is mostly theory about how the data structures work. Okay. In reality, there are already code libraries where you will be directly using a data structure. You're never going to build a linked list. You're directly going to use a data set within whatever thing you are working, or maybe you're going to use a RESTful API and you're going to already use the data in the format that you want. Okay, but the concepts of data structure and algorithm make it very useful to write a proper meaningful code. It helps you to think and solve the problem in the best shortest possible manner. That is why data structures and algorithm is important. It is not important whether you do data structure and algorithm in C++, Java, or Python, or any other programming language. For example, I learned data structures and algorithm on Pascal. Okay. So when I learned data structures and algorithm, it was on Pascal programming language. Okay. Lot of you people may not even know what is this programming language, but you can understand that I come from a time when I've done programming in 1995. Correct. So in those days, C, C++, Pascal, all these programming languages were popular. Okay, but in today's date, C, C++, or .NET, C Sharp .NET, Java, Python, these are popular programming language. There is even PHP. There are other programming languages, but within these programming languages, you can even learn data structures and algorithm using Python. Okay, so you find a good book on data structure and algorithm with Python and then learn using that.